UNCITRAL and the Beijing Convention. Good day, everyone. This presentation introduces the United Nations Convention on the International Effects of Judicial Sales of Ships, commonly known as the Beijing Convention. Adopted by the United Nations General Assembly on December 7, 2022, the convention was developed by UNCITRAL to address long-standing legal uncertainties surrounding judicial sales of ships. Its primary objective is to ensure that a ship sold through a valid judicial process obtains internationally recognized clean title, thereby enhancing legal certainty, protecting maritime commerce, and supporting global shipping finance. The problem it addresses. Before the Beijing Convention, there was no uniform international system requiring countries to recognize judicial sales conducted abroad. Although many jurisdictions granted a purchaser clean title after a court-ordered sale, other countries could refuse to recognize that sale. As a result, ships could be rearrested, ownership could be challenged, and registries might reject registration transfers. These uncertainties reduced buyer confidence, lowered sale prices, and created risks for creditors and financiers. The convention was therefore created to provide a predictable and harmonized legal framework. Purpose of the convention. Article 1 establishes the convention's central purpose: to govern the international effects of judicial sales of ships that confer clean title upon purchasers. In practical terms, when a ship is sold through a valid judicial sale in one state party, all other state parties must recognize that sale and the clean title obtained by the buyer. This objective promotes confidence in maritime transactions, improves access to finance, maximizes proceeds from judicial sales, and strengthens the efficiency and stability of international shipping and trade. How the convention works. The convention creates a clear and structured mechanism. Before a judicial sale, notice must be provided to interested parties. After the sale, the competent authority issues a certificate of judicial sale, which is recorded in a global repository. Under Article 6, the sale receives international recognition across all states parties. Articles 7 and 8 require registries to facilitate deregistration and registration changes while preventing rearrest of the vessel for extinguished claims. Articles 9 and 10 restrict legal challenges to the courts of the selling state and allow refusal only on narrow public policy grounds. Status of the convention. The Beijing Convention has progressed steadily since its adoption. It was adopted by the UN General Assembly on December 7, 2022, and opened for signature in Beijing on September 5, 2023. Spain deposited its ratification in August 2025, enabling the convention to enter into force on February 17, 2026, together with Barbados and El Salvador as the first 3 ratifying states. Panama subsequently ratified the convention, and implementation within the European Union is expected. While major maritime nations have signed, wider ratification remains essential for global effectiveness. Why it matters. The convention delivers significant benefits to multiple stakeholders. Buyers gain confidence that ownership acquired through judicial sale will be respected internationally. Creditors benefit because increased legal certainty attracts more bidders and higher sale prices, improving debt recovery. Ship financiers gain stronger security for lending and investment decisions. More broadly, the convention reduces legal disputes, transaction costs, and operational risks, thereby supporting efficient international trade, maritime investment, and the smooth functioning of the global shipping industry. In conclusion, the Beijing Convention represents a major advancement in international maritime law by creating a harmonized framework for recognizing judicial sales of ships across national borders. It strengthens legal certainty, protects purchasers, supports creditors, and promotes confidence in maritime finance. However, its long-term success depends on broader participation by flag states, maritime nations, and financial centers. As more countries become parties to the convention, its potential to enhance stability and efficiency in global shipping will continue to grow. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching the video. For more marine topics, please subscribe the channel. Please help us with your valuable feedback to improve the contents.